Okay.
Oh,
Mal, what did we make today?
how do you pronounce it?
Mandu.
Mandu.
Like Kathmandu, but the end of the Mandu. Yeah, it's called Mandu.
Look at that. Okay.
Pull this side.
Bite into that.
So, where did we learn?
Don't ask me.
Okay, can you describe the taste then?
That.
What's the dough like?
It's very spongy.
Mm-hmm. What's the filling like?
Good. Very, 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 very
Just good. Just describe it.
Well,
How would you, do you recommend this to other people?
yes. If you know how to make it, yes. Look at that.
Ooh. So what's inside?
Look at that filling.
Veggies and
There's like veggies. Is this lettuce?
and minced meat.
Yeah, minced meat.
It's not lettuce. I put cabbage, courgette,
And there's courgette, yeah.
and
And then
just
this.
put black pepper and
Wait, first let's just look at this.
oh, you
That-
made this. What did you put?
So it's a vinegar, chili oil, soy sauce,
Spring onions.
spring onions, but we didn't have any, so we just used like these little bits of. What are these?
They are garlic leaves and
Yeah,
also you use chili. We didn't have green chili, so we
use chili powder.
chili flakes. Yeah.
Yeah, chili flakes, and it's very good.
Describe in one word now.
Delightful.
What do you want to say, Mangchi?
Shout out to you, Mangchi.
Can you say in Mangchi's accent?
No.
No? Okay, say, okay, shout out then.
Shout out to Mangchi, yeah. Making this.
Do you not want to say thank you to Mangchi for sharing the...
Yeah, thanks.
Say it properly. He's so greedy, just eat it.
Thank you, Mangchi.
For sharing the
Food.
recipe.
Oh.
Okay then.